Your composition panel is supposed to lock, and when it does, you're supposed to be able to see your other compositions. But After Effects is not behaving the way you expected it to. You can't lock it, you can't see the others, and you know this has worked before, even if it was by accident. There are a few specific reasons why this happens, and I've run into most of them in my years of working on After Effects. And once you understand them, you can lock and unlock your composition views reliably without the frustration. Let me show you how. Let me make sure this is what you're trying to do in After Effects so I can give you the right solution. You're trying to lock one composition and open a second view panel with a different composition on the other side. And this way you can see both at the same time. But what seems to happen every single time you try to do the lock, it doesn't look like it locks because let's say you try locking comp A and then switching to comp B. Comp A either stays on screen and you can't reach comp B doesn't appear in a split window, or there is no split window to be had, and for some reason the composition that you thought you locked, it gets replaced by the one you just opened, and it looks like it, again, just didn't work. So what's going wrong, and how do you actually lock your composition and then open up that split screen? That's exactly what I'm going to walk you through right now. This is the part that trips most people up because you're not actually locking your composition. You're locking your composition view panel, also known as just the viewer panel. After Effects is a little confusing. So if you go up to the top of your viewer panel, you'll see a lock icon right there. If you click it, your composition view is locked. And just as a friendly reminder, locking a composition in your viewer panel is not the same as locking a layer in your timeline, because when you lock a layer in your timeline, you can't access it, you can't change position, you can't grab it in the view panel, you can't change keyframes, you can't do anything to it. But if you're only locking your composition view panel, then you can still go into it and you can take an object, move it around, do whatever you want with it. It's just when you lock your composition view panel, it's meant to stay up on screen, which is the whole point of locking your composition panel, right? So then how do you get that split screen? Because sometimes it appears, sometimes it doesn't, and sometimes your composition seems to vanish. There's 3 ways that I know of that you can get that split screen that you are looking for. You can do it from your viewer panel, your timeline, or your project panel. If you're doing it from the viewer panel, you're going to want to go up to the top of the panel that you just locked. At the top of your viewer panel, you're going to notice that you have these tabs. If you click the tab that's not the first one, the next one, or any of the others after that, it's going to create a split screen and it'll switch you to that one. You can only use this if you're trying to get to a subcomp in the timeline that you're currently on, or in the composition that's currently up on your viewer panel. If you're trying to get something from your timeline, this means you're going to click a composition layer in your open timeline, and it will automatically open a split screen. And if it doesn't, I do have a solution for that coming up, because this was one of the ones that gets tricky. It gets especially tricky when you're trying to bring up a split screen view of one of the timelines that are already open. The third way is from your project panel, and all it takes is clicking any composition, video, image in your project panel, and it will open in your main view panel. Now to fix the frustrating part, which is when you sometimes do any of the ways that I just mentioned and it covers up your locked composition. It makes it look like it vanished, and you're left with looking at one screen, one view. But all isn't lost. The easiest way to fix this is that you take your composition view that just opened and you drag it to the left or the right and you attach it there. And now you've created your own split window. You get to have your locked composition on one side and your unlocked composition on one side. Your unlocked composition is going to switch based on what you're clicking in your project panel or down below on your timeline. Your locked composition is going to stay up there until you decide to unlock it. And the way you unlock it and go back to having one view instead of a split screen view is that you're going to simply click that lock icon again. It's going to unlock itself. And your composition panel view is probably going to have a double effect because you'll have 2 split screens open. And on both sides, you're going to be viewing whichever timeline you have open. All you have to do is click an X on one of those right at the top there, and it's going to close the panel. You can also do this a couple other ways, but clicking the X works, and then you're left with one screen that matches your timeline. When you first learn about this, it can be hard to remember. But the more you use it, the more it's something that you keep in your back pocket to speed up your animating. It's similar to shortcuts in that way. And if you want to know the best shortcuts to animate faster in After Effects, check those out right here. Thanks.